After 60, eating more protein is not always enough. You can drink shakes and still lose muscle because the muscle switch becomes harder to turn on. In this video, I will count down 10 fruits that can support the biology of muscle repair by improving blood flow, recovery, insulin sensitivity, and inflammation. Number 1 is the most overlooked. Let us start the countdown at number 10 with a fruit that tackles the very first barrier. In the 10th place, watermelon stands out as a hydration powerhouse with a unique edge for older adults. Each cup delivers about 900 milligrams of L-citrulline, a compound the body converts to arginine and then to nitric oxide. This pathway helps relax blood vessels, supporting better blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscles, which can be a key hurdle after age 60. Research in older adults shows that citrulline can improve flow-mediated dilation, making it easier for amino acids and insulin to reach muscle tissue after a meal or a walk. The high water content also helps prevent the mild dehydration that often weakens legs and slows recovery. For practical use, try 1 to 2 cups of fresh watermelon cubes within 30 minutes after exercise, ideally paired with a protein shake. A quick word of caution. Watermelon is naturally high in sugar, so those managing blood glucose should monitor their intake. Leaving the hydrating burst of watermelon, citrus fruits bring a sharp vitamin C punch that may further support muscle health. Number 9. Oranges and other citrus fruits offer more than just a refreshing taste. They deliver a crucial boost of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen forms the connective tissue that links muscle to bone, providing the structural support needed for muscle force to transfer efficiently. For adults over 60, stronger tendons and resilient blood vessels make every step more stable and every movement safer. Research in older adults shows that a single 500 milligram dose of vitamin C can improve blood vessel flexibility within hours. The citrus flavonoid hesperidin, found in the white pithyn juice, has been shown to lower inflammation markers such as C-reactive protein and to support vascular health over time. One medium orange contains about 70 milligrams of vitamin C and roughly 100 milligrams of hesperidin, with potassium to further assist muscle excitability. For practical use, try pairing an orange or a glass of fresh juice with Greek yogurt at breakfast. This combination supplies both the connective tissue support of vitamin C and the muscle-building protein needed for repair. Those taking certain medications should be aware that grapefruit can interact with statins and some blood pressure drugs, so consult a clinician if unsure. From the zesty brightness of citrus, the spotlight now shifts to berries and their deep antioxidant arsenal. 8th place goes to blueberries, well known for their deep blue color and even deeper antioxidant power. The key players here are anthocyanins, compounds that help neutralize oxidative stress, a process that can slow muscle repair and trigger inflammation in older adults. In a 12-week randomized trial with participants over 65, daily blueberry intake was linked to modest but measurable improvements in both grip strength and walking speed, alongside a drop in inflammatory markers such as interleukin 6. A half cup, about 75 grams, delivers roughly 75 milligrams of anthocyanins, enough to activate AMPK pathways in muscle cells and support the signals for protein synthesis. Regular servings may offer seniors a gentle edge in maintaining function, especially when paired with a protein source such as yogurt or oats. Blueberries are high in fiber, so anyone new to them should start slowly to avoid digestive discomfort. After the digestive and antioxidant shield of blueberries, the focus shifts to kiwi, a fruit that brings digestive support to the table. Number 7. Kiwi brings a digestion-focused advantage for seniors aiming to get more from every protein-rich meal. The standout is actinidin, a natural enzyme unique to kiwi, which speeds up the breakdown of dietary protein in the stomach. In a crossover study with adults over 55, eating kiwi alongside a protein meal led to a 20% faster rise in essential amino acids in the bloodstream compared to meals without it. This quicker delivery helps counter the slow gastric emptying that often limits muscle repair after 60. Each medium kiwi, about 70 grams, supplies around 8 milligrams of actinidin and 65 milligrams of vitamin C, enough to support tendon health and collagen turnover as well. For practical use, try slicing a kiwi over cottage cheese or blending it into a post-walk smoothie to help your body access amino acids sooner. Those with a latex allergy should avoid kiwi as reactions can occur. From the enzyme action of kiwi, the list moves to pineapple, another fruit with digestive benefits, but a different mechanism. Number 6. Pineapple brings a recovery-focused edge for seniors thanks to its natural enzyme, bromelain. Bromelain acts as a protease, helping to break down dietary proteins in the stomach, and it also carries anti-inflammatory properties that may ease the muscle soreness many older adults feel after activity. While most of the evidence comes from studies in younger adults, research suggests that bromelain can downregulate inflammatory pathways like NF-kappa B in muscle cells and may reduce soreness ratings on visual scales up to 24 hours after exercise. For practical use, a half cup of fresh pineapple chunks, about 80 grams, paired with a protein-rich meal can support both digestion and recovery. Because pineapple is acidic, rinsing your mouth after eating can help prevent irritation, especially for those with sensitive gums. As we move from pineapple's enzyme-driven recovery, the next fruit on the list brings a different kind of support. It provides polyphenols that help clear cellular debris and improve circulation. Number 5, pomegranate offers a distinct advantage for seniors by tapping into the power of polyphenols, specifically L-citrulline. Once consumed, these compounds are transformed by gut bacteria into urolithins, which support the body's natural process of cleaning out worn-out mitochondria inside muscle cells. This cellular cleanup may help aging muscles stay energized and more responsive to protein, especially as mitochondrial quality declines with age. In a 12-week study of adults over 70, drinking 250 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily led to a 12% reduction in the inflammation marker TNF-alpha and an 8% increase in knee extension strength. That same serving delivers about 300 milligrams of L-citrulline and a nitrate bonus, which can support nitric oxide production for better blood flow. For practical use, try half a cup of 100% pomegranate juice paired with a protein bar after activity to help your body make the most of both. Because the juice is naturally high in sugar, it is wise to limit to 1 serving per day and monitor your total carbohydrate intake, especially if managing blood sugar. As the list moves from cellular cleanup to nightly repair, the next fruit focuses on recovery and sleep support. Number 4, Tart Cherries bring a double benefit for seniors aiming to preserve muscle after 60. The deep red color signals a high concentration of anthocyanins, plant compounds shown to lower inflammation and ease muscle soreness after activity. But tart cherries also contain natural melatonin-like compounds which may improve the quality of sleep, a critical time for overnight muscle repair. In a 6-week clinical trial of adults over 65, taking 30 milliliters of Tart Cherry concentrate twice daily improved sleep efficiency by about 4% and led to noticeably less muscle soreness after resistance training. Each dose delivers around 270 milligrams of anthocyanins, supporting both recovery and a healthier inflammatory profile. For practical use, try a small glass of diluted Tart Cherry concentrate in the early evening, especially after a protein-rich dinner. Some may experience mild digestive upset with larger amounts, so start with modest servings. As the body recovers overnight, the next fruit in the lineup focuses on supporting daytime metabolism and nutrient absorption. Coming to the top 3, avocado offers a metabolic advantage that sets it apart for older adults looking to get more from every protein-rich meal. The standout here is its high content of monounsaturated fatty acids, about 10 grams in just half an avocado. These healthy fats have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity in seniors, demonstrated in a 12-week crossover study where adding 30 grams of avocado fat to daily meals lowered HOMA-IR scores, a key marker of insulin resistance. Better insulin signaling means the body can shuttle more amino acids from protein into muscle cells, helping to trigger the muscle building process that often stalls after 60. Alongside its fat profile, half an avocado supplies around 350 milligrams of potassium, supporting nerve muscle function. For practical use, try spreading half an avocado on whole grain toast with a boiled egg. This pairing combines steady energy from healthy fats with high-quality protein for muscle repair. Because avocado is calorie-dense, portion control is important, especially for those managing weight. As the focus shifts from healthy fats to quick-acting carbohydrates and electrolytes, the next fruit brings a synergy of potassium and resistant starch. Number 2, bananas bring a powerful combination for seniors aiming to support muscle health after 60. Each medium banana contains about 400 milligrams of potassium, a mineral essential for nerve signaling and muscle contraction. In cross-sectional studies of older adults, higher potassium intake is consistently linked to better leg strength and faster walking speed. Bananas also provide resistant starch, especially when slightly underripe, delivering around 3 grams per fruit. This prebiotic fiber feeds gut bacteria, leading to the production of short-chain fatty acids that may help lower inflammation and support metabolic health. For practical use, try eating a medium banana within 30 minutes after a walk or resistance exercise, paired with 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter for added protein. Choosing a banana with a hint of green boosts resistant starch content. Because bananas are naturally high in sugar, those managing blood glucose should monitor their intake. As digestion and absorption become the next focus, the final fruit on the list brings a unique enzyme to help seniors get more from every protein-rich meal. And finally, in first place, papaya stands out for its unique support of muscle health after 60. The key is papain, a natural enzyme in fresh papaya that accelerates the breakdown of protein into absorbable amino acids. In a pilot crossover study with adults over 60, adding papaya to a protein meal led to an earlier peak in blood leucine, the amino acid most critical for muscle repair. Lab tests show papain can speed up peptide breakdown by about 25%, helping to overcome the slower digestion that often comes with age. 1 cup of papaya cubes, about 150 grams, blended with low-fat cottage cheese or a scoop of casein protein, makes for a senior-friendly smoothie that may help the body access muscle-building nutrients more efficiently. Those with a latex allergy should avoid papaya, as reactions can occur. Educational only, not medical advice. protein remains the building material. These fruits help your body actually use it after 60. Across all 10 fruits, one pattern stands out. Supporting muscle after 60 is about more than just eating protein. These fruits may help your body absorb, utilize, and recover better, addressing the real barriers of aging muscle. This is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Remember, protein builds muscle, and fruit helps your body use it.